Well, it has been 4 weeks since my last video. This is week 15. We were at week 11 before, and wow, what a transformation. I'll admit, though, 3 weeks of zero activity. It was 0 to -10 for basically 3 full weeks, and so nothing occurred, which is, a bummer, but it's okay. So what they've done is they've decided, because of snow and rain, they're going to build the new stick-built roof over the house. So the old roof is still there. We're going to 8-foot framing on the front of the home. They're going to demo the whole front half of the house. In order to do that, they're just going to basically stick build the new roof system over the house. Solar panels are off, and this is their idea. It enables them to demo the old roof system and front half of the house without snow or rain issues. And then they can finish framing. They say, today's Friday, February 20th, they say 7 days from now, next Friday, the 27th, that they will have reframed the front of the house and put on the new roof, completely, shingled, and finish the roof. So we'll see. At that point, they will be moving inside, because once the roof and the framing is done, they can move inside and put insulation, blow-in insulation in the attic. I will see. We'll see. I mean, weather is one thing, right? We do have some below zero temperatures on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, the 24th. But by the 27th, they said they're going to have this. But it's amazing. It looks like one house is eating my house. That's what it looks like here. The house is eating the old one. And you see there, the plywood is on. The old house is right there in the very middle bottom. It looks so teeny tiny compared to the new addition. 8-foot ceilings. You can see how large the new windows are compared to the old ones. This is then today, Friday the 20th. This was 2 days ago. Friday the 20th is today. Then putting the sheathing on the top of the roof, because we are getting 7 inches of snow right now as I write this. And wow. So Monday they come back. I'll be clearing snow tomorrow off the driveway. But I took the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, and I did some shots of the construction yesterday. So there's like 2 minutes here of video of drone footage here. But this is, I love this FOV field of view kind of tight zoom shot that I did from the drone. But they did the whole roof system from right to left, plywood and sheathing, in 5 days. Highs are in the 40s, or sorry, 36 to 43 was the highs. Lows in the teens. Next week, one day of low in the 0 to 2 degree Fahrenheit, the highs of 48 by end of next week. Still no slab poured in the garage, but we're hoping once the roof system is on, front is demoed and rebuilt, blow-in insulation is in. By the way, garage doors ordered, siding is ordered, windows are ordered, fixtures are ordered, doors, exterior and interior doors are ordered, trim is ordered, stone veneer is ordered, and so we have everything we need now to actually build this house. And so windows will just come in and just put into the framing next week. Insulation will go in, and I'm really hoping that by the end of next week, the guys can start moving significantly faster, because they'll be in a sealed home. This has been the hard part of winter. Anyway, this is our update. Sorry it's been 3 weeks, but frankly, nothing has happened until now. Nothing. Sorry. They took 3 full weeks off. All right, we'll see where we are next week. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.